What's up, fellows? In today's video, I want to share with you a review of Talking Photos AI, the best AI tool to turn any photo or character into talking videos. So make sure that you watch till the end because I'm going to share with you one of the standout feature of this Talking Photos AI. And one standout feature is that you don't need monthly subscription and you can get it for less than even $100, and it's a one-time payment. So before you even go ahead and purchase it, let's check out what it entails, and also subscribe to this channel because I also did a video on Artistly AI, the best mid-journey alternative for less than $200, and there is no monthly payment. So this is the best AI tool, and you can now generate videos like this and this using this AI. So make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Let me now go ahead and share with you a review of Talking Photos AI. This is the Talking Photo AI, and when you check out the link in description, you will scroll down here and you will see a tutorial on how to use this AI tool. So it is an 11-minute video, and you should check out this before you even go ahead and subscribe to this AI tool, which is most affordable and it's less than $100. So before you go and use it, let's see some of the features, which include photo to videos, AI photo generator, AI face swap, text to speech, background editor, HD video render, and make unlimited talking videos, unlimited singing videos, upload your photos. So let's see some of the features of this AI tool. So this Talking Photos AI is the best AI tool that you can use to either change your photos into talking videos, singing or dancing with perfect body movement, lip sync, and also emotions. And it comes in all languages that you can use, and you don't need monthly subscription for this. And as you can see, these are some of the examples of videos that you can generate using this AI tool. You can generate cartoon, human, animal, dancing, and singing. So let's go down here and see some of the examples that this AI tool can do for you. So photos to talking videos, you can turn, as you can see, you can turn a photo into talking videos. Also, we have full body live movement while talking, and also you can design your own character. You see, you just enter the prompt and then it will generate you. And also 40 plus character action and movement. So after creating your talking photo, you can now input some movement actions, and also you can create very realistic human talking photos and also cartoons. Currently this is trending, and especially if you are running an Instagram page or TikTok, this is the best. Children like watching such stuff. And also you can create animals talking, and also animals dancing or you dancing, and also you can enter a song and start dancing. So you can also create singing videos, transform your character photos into vocal performance with the ability to sing along any audio. So this AI tool is the best, and it's also affordable, unlike other AI tools which require monthly subscription, yet the quality of content you get is not comparable to this. So you can create also fantasy talking characters. You can see bananas, apple, and one standout feature is this perfect lip sync. Some AI tools struggle to produce a perfect lip sync, and this AI tool can do so. And also one additional thing is the visual expression that you can add, and this is one of the standout feature. And also multiple languages, so you can always use your own native language, and also text to speech, and you can also swap your face with some celebrity. All this is possible, and you can also edit and remove background, especially if you are advertising products or you have a Shopify store, then this is the best. Also storyboard for longer videos. You can see seamlessly match scene videos. You can add different scenes, talking characters, and that's possible. And also you can download full HD photos. So check out the link in description, come and watch this video, and you will see how this AI tool can help you in your content creation journey. And this is the review about Talking Photos AI. It's not comparable with any other. So this is the best alternative to Midjourney and also Invideo and also Leonardo AI. So click the link, come and watch this video, and then you can subscribe. And before we go ahead, let me share with you the payments. So it comes in two options, basic and all access. So there is no need to pay for